In this video, I'm going to show you how to make shapes move on hover in Webflow. So first, let's make our shape and click on Add Elements and add a div block. So let's just make a simple square. Let's set the minimum width to 100 and the minimum height to 100, and also the max width to about 500 and the max height also 500. Now let's set the color of the div block so that we can see it clearly. Click on the color under backgrounds. Let's make this a good blue color right here. Now the next thing that we want to do is add an interaction. So click on interactions and click on element trigger and click on mouse hover. Now on hover, add a start an animation and add a new timed animation. Click on actions, which has a plus icon, and click on move. Now set the distance of the move to, for example, X or Y. It depends on you what you want to move. So I'll just, let's say, do a horizontal move for the shape. And if you click on the play button, you will see that it moves right here. So if we click on the preview and we hover our mouse, you will see that it is preview. So make sure that you set this to the text or the div block, because I set it wrong to the body. So let's just click on reset and make sure to highlight the div block right here. So click on add actions, click on move, and the move would be around here, and click on the preview. And as you can see, if you hover on the mouse, you will move. And that's about it. That's how to make shapes move on hover in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.